Tonight on Call Center Skills, empathy versus sympathy. One destroys customers, one saves them. Which one must go? See you after the break to find out.
Picture this, a customer calls absolutely frustrated because they've been charged twice for the same service. Your natural instinct might be to say, "Oh my gosh, that's terrible. I'm so sorry this happened to you. Our website can be such a nightmare." Sounds caring, right? Here's the plot twist. You might have just made things worse. Before you start questioning everything you know about customer service, let me explain exactly what's happening here and show you the one simple shift that will turn you into a customer service superhero. All right, let's break this down. Sympathy and empathy. They sound similar. They're like siblings. They love each other, but, sometimes just don't get along. Sympathy is when you add your own emotions to the customer situation. You're essentially jumping into their black hole of frustration with them. "Yes, this is awful. I feel terrible for you." Empathy, on the other hand, is when you reflect back on what you observed without adding your own emotional baggage. You're like a mirror that helps them see their situation more clearly. Think of it this way. Sympathy says, "It looks bad to be stuck," while empathy says, "I see you're stuck and here's what we can do about it." Here's a quick test. I'm going to describe a situation. I want you to comment whether it's sympathy or empathy. A customer says their package is late and you respond, "It's so frustrating. I hate when it happens to me too." Drop your answer in the comments. Sympathy or empathy? The sympathy trap. Here's why sympathy, though well-intended, can backfire spectacularly. When we sympathize, we're actually doing 3 things to keep customers stuck. First, we're confirming their worst fears. Yes, this is terrible. Second, we're treating them like victims who can't solve their own problems. And third, we're agreeing that the situation is hopeless. The result? Customers feel validated for about 2 seconds, then realize they're still stuck with the same problem, but now with confirmation that it's genuinely awful. Now, let's see empathy in action. Instead of jumping into emotional quicksand, empathy helps customers step back and regain their power to solve the problem. When you use empathy, you're reflecting what you observe.
I can hear the frustration in your voice about being charged twice, and our company is determined to fix that for you.
Notice what happened here? No extra drama, no emotional amplification, just clear acknowledgement that helps the customer see their situation objectively. This actually calms them down, and it's reassuring for them to feel that you have things under control. If this video helps you develop your customer service skills, tap that like button. And if you want more customer service tips delivered straight to your feed, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Let's hear this in action with 2 quick mock calls. First, the sympathetic approach.
"I can't believe I've been charged twice. This is absolutely ridiculous."
"Oh no, that's terrible. I'm so sorry this happened to you. It must be so incredibly frustrating."
"Yes, it is terrible. Why does this always happen? Your company is impossible to deal with."
See how that escalated? Now let's try the empathetic approach.
"I can't believe I've been charged twice. This is absolutely ridiculous."
I can hear how frustrated you are about this double charge. Let me pull up your account so we can see exactly what happened and get this resolved for you today.
"Yes, please. I just need this fixed."
Night and day difference, right? So, how do you make this shift? Here are 3 quick techniques you can use immediately. Technique 1, use observation language. Instead of,
"That's awful,"
try,
"I can see you've been dealing with this issue for several days."
Technique 2, focus on facts, not feelings. Instead of,
"You must be so angry."
try,
"I understand you need this resolved before your payment is due tomorrow."
Technique 3, empower, don't rescue. Instead of,
"Don't worry, I'll fix everything for you."
try.
Let me show you the options available so you can choose what works best.
The key is helping customers feel understood and capable, not helpless and pitied.
Pop quiz time. I'm going to give you a customer complaint and I want you to write an empathetic response in the comments below.
"I've been on hold for 25 whole minutes and I'm about to miss my flight."
Best response gets pinned. Go.
Let's wrap this up with the key takeaway. Sympathy keeps customers stuck in their problems, while empathy helps them step back, gain perspective, and find solutions. Empathy isn't about feeling sorry for your customers. It's about helping them feel understood and empowered to move forward. Ready to put these learnings into action? Here's your challenge. Try using 1 empathetic response in your next customer interaction and let us know how it went. I bet you'll be amazed at the difference. The next time a frustrated customer calls, you'll have the power to be their ladder out of the black hole, not someone who jumps in with them. That's it for today. If you're still here, you're my kind of person. Tell me in the comments which customer service topic we should tackle next. And if you're ready to level up, keep in mind, we're hiring customer service agents like you, eager to learn at Foundever. Apply now at jobs.foundever.com. Until next time, make every customer interaction count.